This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about citrus wraps, specifically these fantastic lemon wraps. And you have two options. There's the yellow cotton lemon wraps with green satin ribbon. They're 8 3/4 inches in diameter, and they're a fantastic option if you don't know if you're going to be wrapping up halves, wedges, or if you're going to have things like larger lemons or smaller limes. And then there's the yellow cotton wraps with the elastic bands, and these are really great if you're going to be wrapping up halves of either smaller lemons and limes. These are perfect for allowing your guests to squeeze juice over dishes without any worry about getting seeds in there. They're an easy way to secure wedges and halves and create that great attractive presentation for your guests. And it's just a really easy way to provide that fresh juice garnish that some dishes just need. They're perfect for putting out alongside various seafood dishes, pastas, and risottos for that fresh punch of citrus or lemon. And they can also be used alongside with tea service and cocktails as well. The wraps with ribbons can be adjusted to hold not only halves, but also to do wedges as well. So they're great not only for lemons and limes, but other kinds of citrus. And the elastic bands are perfect for going over those nice halves. These are great for any restaurant that serves dishes or drinks that require freshly squeezed citrus.